Hello everyone, I am Shikha Jain from Mata Mohan Devi Vatsava Public School. I am chemistry teacher. Welcome to Mata Mohan Devi School YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the coordination compound. This is the chapter of the plus 2 chemistry coordination compound, and today we discuss about the what are the coordination compound. ठीक है, तो in order to understand the what are the coordination compound, we know what are the coordinates bond. A coordinate bond is formed when a atom which have lone pair of electrons or an extra electron that are donated to another substance, so that bond are formed is called coordination bond, coordinate bond, and the compound formed by the help of these bonds are called coordinate bonds. To understand the term, we can give an example. ठीक है, when the let us mix two compounds, ferrous cyanide and potassium cyanide, and in a china dish and evaporate to dryness. ठीक है, मतलब एक चाइना डिश में, जैसे यहाँ पे दिखाया है कि चाइना डिश ली, उसमें एक कंपाउंड फेरस साइनाइड डाल दिया और दूसरा कंपाउंड पोटाशियम साइनाइड डाल दिया और उसको धूप में रख दिया अवेपोरेट होने के लिए. आफ्टर सम टाइम जब वो अवेपोरेट हो गया, उसके बाद हमारे पास जो कंपाउंड आया, दैट इज कंपाउंड इज पोटाशियम फेरोसाइनाइड. दिस कंपाउंड इज द कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड. ठीक है, द रेजिड्यू लेफ्ट इज वेल नोन कंपाउंड कॉल्ड पोटाशियम फेरोसाइनाइड, एंड दो इट हैज नेम इज coordination chemistry, and it is a coordination compound or complex compound. And when it compound is dissolved in water, it dissociate in the following way: potassium ion as well as the ferrocyanate ion. ठीक है, the species which is enclosed in the square bracket, this species which is enclosed in the square bracket is called the complex ion, and it does not give any test about the ferrous ion or cyanide ion. Thus we can say the what are the coordination compound: the molecular compound which are resulting from the combination of two or more stable molecular compound and retain its identity in solid state as well as in solution, and the properties are the totally different from the constituent present. It means when we combine two or more molecular stable compound and the resulting solution and the resulting compound whose property is different from the constituent from its made, and it remain its identity in solid or as well as in solution, this such type of compound are called coordination compound. We have another many examples like tetraamine cobalt sulfate, potassium potassium hexacyanoferrate, potassium hexacyanoferrate, hexaamine cobalt chloride, hexaamine nickel chloride, potassium dicyanoargentate. So these are the sub types of coordination compound. ठीक है, and we have many terms when we discuss this compound. Let us study. So first is the coordination complex. So what is the coordination complex? A coordination complex or entity, we can say also it entity, is the species that enclosed in the square bracket. That is the species which enclosed in a square bracket. This is called the complex coordination complex. Coordination complex. This is also called coordination sphere. It contains a certain metal atom or ion which is fixed to the neutral number of ions or molecule which have capable of donating electron pairs with the coordinate bonds. It means in this this is the central atom, and these are the donor species. We can write also in this way: nickel NH3 6 2 positive. First, the compound which are enclosed in the square bracket, this is called coordination sphere or entity, also we say entity, and this is the central atom or ion, and this is the donor species. in which nickel is coordinate like this. We know ammonia has a lone pair of electron. In ammonia, nitrogen has lone pair of electron. So it can donate its lone pair of electron to nickel by coordinate bond and forms a coordinate bond with the nickel. So in this way a coordination complex is formed. The coordination complex is of many types. If a coordination complex has positive charge, if a coordination complex have positive charge, then it is called cationic complex. If a complex has a negative charge, then it is called anionic complex. And if a complex have no charge, then it is called neutral complex. Okay, and these donor species also called ligands. The ligands are of many types, and the number by which these donor species attach to the central atom, the number is called coordination number. Like in this coordination number, it is represented by short symbol Cn. Coordination number is 6. In this also coordination number 6. In this coordination number equal to 4.